Hello everybody, I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive, and today I'm making this video because I get excited about bringing you tool products and tool reviews because I think they'll help you guys out, make you guys money, and make your life easier. So today I got a good one. So today we're going to be featuring the Easy Intake by Redline Detection. I'm going to show you how it works in the next few clips, so stay tuned for that. So I'm sitting inside a Volvo S60 here. It's running rough, the check engine light's on, the idle, I don't know if you hear it on camera or not, but it's hunting up and down a little bit and kind of a hesitance. So I pulled some codes, and we got a mass airflow code, and we got a turbo supercharged code here. And kind of what I'm suspecting is the intercooler piping or something has popped off somewhere, the way it's kind of hunting, and and that would possibly give this mass airflow code here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the engine bay here. So before I show you that Easy Intake and how it works, we're going to do a visual inspection. We're going to visually check the car for leaks, for turbo leaks, intercooler leaks, that type of sort of things, vacuum lines or hoses that may have popped off to make this car run funny and bad. So as you can see, I'm inspecting this and everything appears to be hooked up and checks out. So what we're going to do is go back up top, and we're going to hook up the Easy Intake, and I'll show you that. So the Easy Intake is going to help us find vacuum leaks, or in this case turbo leaks on this vehicle, by hooking it up to the intake system here. So I pulled off the air snorkel right from the mass airflow sensor, installed the Easy Intake into the tube here, and I close off the little valve right here on the bulb. Now I can pump this the Easy Intake up, and it's going to inflate and seal up the air snorkel here. The cool thing about the Easy Intake is it will conform to any size or shape of intake port that you put it in. It also works in the exhaust systems. Just recommend doing it with cold exhaust. So we pumped it up here until it sealed it off. Now it has a pass-through port here that we're going to hook a smoke machine up, and we're going to pump smoke into the system, and we're going to look around and see if we can find any leaks. So the Easy Intake will work with any smoke machine out there on the market. I'm using the Redline Ready Smoke here. This smoke machine just requires a 12-volt battery supply and then an air hose hooked up to the back, and then you can crank up the flow valve, and now it's starting to pump the smoke into the system. It takes a few minutes for it to fill up everything with the smoke, but meanwhile you can start looking around and check all your suspected areas. I suspect that this PCV air breather down here is the actual problem. It's a pretty common failure on Volvos. So I got the smoke machine pumping. Now I'm going back over the whole system, going over the intercooler hoses, the turbo, the intercooler itself, looking for vacuum leaks out of any vacuum hoses and lines, because we're pumping directly through the turbo back through the intake system. So it's going all the way through the whole system. And I'm double checking everything, and so far I'm not finding any signs of smoke. Usually you smell the smoke first. So I lowered the vehicle back down and I checked around the intake manifold, and I couldn't find any leaks. The throttle body, all that was clear. And the PCVs here, I kind of smell something around this area, so I took the oil cap off here, and sure enough, the PCV valve is bypassing, and basically it's an internal leak, and you can see the smoke coming out of the valve cover here, out of the cap. So the problem with this vehicle was the PCV breather system has malfunctioned. As you can see, it's flowing out of the oil cap here. So we just diagnosed this internal vacuum leak using the Easy Intake and the smoke machine in combination to help us find that. And without this Easy Intake here, hooking up to this system would have been very difficult or challenging to seal it all off. So as you can tell, it makes it really easy to connect up to and start testing right away, which will save you time and make you money. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you guys are considering picking one of these up, I'll leave links for it in the description of the video. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.